I'm burning myself. I need a little glove. Ugh. That's why I hate heat. That's why y'all. Cooper, you come to check on me? No. He don't care. Ugh, y'all.
I just tried this new spray. It's
Mm-hmm.
very nice. It's from Milk. If you want to use it. I love their primer, so they had sent it to me.
Oh, it's actually a spray.
It's the grip set refresh spray.
I'll try it out. It's cute.
Yeah, they say shake it first and then spray because I see like
It's like
it separates. I don't know what that's about.
Oh, okay, spray out kind of good.
Like it.
I'm sorry. Let's see.
It sprays. I like how it sprays out. It's like it's aggressive, but it's not too aggressive.
Right. I like that. I like that a lot. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So today, well, clearly I'm still getting ready. Me and Jay are getting ready to go out to eat. Aaron's coming with us today. We're gonna go to Mi Vida, which y'all know is my favorite freaking spot. Girl, that joint right there. Oh, baby. Y'all seen it already when we went to Mi Vida for our anniversary, which was amazing. But, girl, we going again. After that day, we went back like 5 times. Like, no lie. So, yeah, and then we're going to show Jalen around a little bit. Oh! Y'all, we hit 50,000 followers on Instagram last night. I wanted to actually see like 50,000 because now it's 50,054, but I'm like, we actually hit, you know, I keep saying subscribers, it's not subscribers, but followers. I almost got emotional because this girl, I actually follow some of my subscribers, people that like support me and stuff, but she was like, oh, congratulations. She was like the first person to tell me congratulations, and it just meant a lot to me because when people that support you, like, they don't even know you, but they support you heavy. Me and Jillian was talking about this. It just hit different. Like, Aaron supporting me, my mom supporting me. It's kind of like, girl, you should be supporting me. Like, I'm your daughter. I'm your girlfriend. You should be supporting me. And that's, you know, not always a given when your family supports you. But when it feels like when people that I don't really know support me, it just hits so different. It just hits different for me.
I don't know if Cooper was trained already for the bell. He was hitting the bell.
Did he hit it?
And he's standing at the door.
You lying.
He was just standing at the door.
Y'all, I'm trying to teach Cooper. Come on, Koopy. I didn't even hear that. I thought that was somebody going outside. I'm trying to teach him how to use the bell so he can tell me when he has to use the bathroom. Touch. 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 Good boy. Good boy, Koopy. Okay, I'm going to be right back, y'all. Good boy. You ready to go potty? You gotta go potty. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I didn't even show you guys how the treats look, but this is how they came out. So we just popped them out of the little molds, and this is how they came out. We put coconut oil, peanut butter, and cinnamon in it. That's why some of them are darker, because it has cinnamon in it. But they are so cute. Look at these. It's so cute. Look at a little paw. And Cooper enjoys it. Sit. Good boy. And then the coconut oil will help with his skin. Avery likes it too. It's this lip combo.
Usually my lip liner be like coming all the way through, but it's doing alright today.
I'm in her vlog. She on my vlog.
Period. I ain't charged my camera at all.
I was gonna remind you, but I was like, let me not. I ain't wanna be like, I don't know.
Honey, my mind is in 1,000 places all the time. Please tell me.
Because sometimes I be like, I don't want to be like controlling, be like, girl, get your content, get your content.
No, it helps because I don't know. I'm weird. I get weird. Don't mind me.
Well, you got like an hour to charge it up. I'm about to charge mine up real quick because we're gonna be out for Cooper. Hey, no, boy, we're gonna be out for a little bit, so I'll be back, you guys. Right, you guys, we are at Mi Vida again. It's so pretty in here, per usual. View and a view.
Chihuahua cheese. What?
Yo, Say hello.
It's good camera.
Yes.
Yep. An extra cheese, right?
Yes.
You have the salsa? Okay.
What you think? Yep. There we go. There we go.
That's good. Yes.
Once you get that drink, the queso bandito, it be hitting.
That looks good.
It's boomerang.
Why this whole time I thought it was a boomerang? That's why I was like, wait.
Look at my.
I
Y'all
always
see this
do
big
this.
old camera?
I didn't know. 50K. Congrats,
50K.
My good man, we need a few shots.
I don't know about
50K.
I don't know about
We
that.
need some Casamigo
Look,
shots.
I don't know about that.
We need the Azul shots. Very refreshing. Can't wait to bite into that.
Jay got the same thing.
Dang, we got a lot of food.
It looks like a lot.
It just looks like a lot.
Ain't a lot though. This looks good to me. Yes.
Is that okay?
That's good.
You sure?
Yeah, if you like it like that.
I mean, I've never had it out of that.
I feel like the more burnt, the better, honestly.
Come on, burn it up, burn it up.
Not burn it up.
Y'all see the vibes?
Yes.
I got chocolate all over my face, y'all.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. They're enjoying the s'mores.
Yeah. This is yummy.
Get that warmth of the fire, please.
It's so
Yes.
good.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is delicious.
Delicious.
My first s'more. I did not know they was hitting like this.
First s'more in her life.
Girl.
And it's hitting.
Yes.
What about you, babe?
It's great.
Talk to the cam.
Great.
Great. Look,
I was
look at
hoping.
that.
Look at
that.
right. Like, come on now.
Get her to that thing right
Come
quick.
on now.
Woo, woo, woo.
It's so good. You want to try it, babe?
Let's see that bite. Nah, I don't want it. Let's see the bite.
He said nah.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, look at the
Yes.
marshmallow. Whoa. Shout out to the s'mores man himself. Me, cameraman. It's popping, people. We out there. Your favorite influencers. If you ain't know, now you know.
Oh my.
It's the marshmallow for her. It's the marshmallow.
Wow.
Hey, yo.
Oh my god.
That is, but the Reese's is hitting, boy.
Okay, Reese's is hitting, boy.
Boy.
I
Like,
have stuff on my mouth, don't I?
no, not at all, actually. Scrub this junk.
Doing what, babe?
Scrub this junk. Shoot.
Dead.
So I'm going to go to the lights today. It's going to be very Christmassy today. I'm excited. Yes, because we is in Maryland. We here. She's enjoying herself. I'm excited. I am happy. because also like she's trying to see like where she really wants to move to. So I know she said she likes DC, so we're in DC right now. I'm going to show her around like to Georgetown. We just showed her the Wharf, which is so much different than the Wharf that I know of and that Aaron knows of. We're just gonna show her around Georgetown, then we're gonna go to Tyson's Corner. I'm gonna shop a little bit, get Aaron some things for Criminal or whatever. Even though he right here, but it's okay. He ain't getting it till Criminal. But yeah, you guys are having a good time. We had our little drinks. They got us feeling a little buzzed.
I got more than a buzz.
I'm like, these apartments right here, y'all can't even see it for real, but these right here, girl, and it's right next to the Wharf. They're so cute. They're so cute. One of my subscribers said she goes, where she work? At TJ Maxx in, dang, oh, by the Capitol Heights. I'm gonna have to go there.
Ceiling to floor, windows.
Floor to ceiling.
Yes.
I love floor to ceiling windows. That's where I want to move next year. It's a floor to ceiling window type of apartment, because that's the vibes that I want.
I know these are
Period. But yeah, so I might try to visit her with Jay. I don't know if she follows Jalen, but who don't follow Jay? Like, come on now. She's that girl, and that's on period. Showing my girl around, okay? Because this is a vibe right here.
Let me just say thank y'all. Like, this is nice.
Oh girl, no problem. Right here, this next little right here. Look at that. Up in there.
Let's slow it down a little bit. Yeah.
They change it so much.
Yes,
They change it every season, actually. Like, well,
and then those are like stores.
Yeah, those are like little stores over there. You can buy
They
stuff.
boarded them up because of the riots and stuff going on.
You need some help?
Okay.
Thank you, girl.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Okay.
I'm going on an adventure.
My shoes.
Okay.
I know you got the all white.
I'm about to say the all white.
There we go.
Can't wear those no more after today.
Look at this. So beautiful.
Good. Bag for you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You need your bag as well? Okay.
Thank you. Is this winter? This is it.
Winter?
I think this is it right here.